Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cough. Nocturnal cough is present in the following conditions. Nocturnal cough means the cough if the cough is present at the night time. If the cough is present at the night time, then it is called as nocturnal cough. So nocturnal cough is present in the following conditions. It is present in chronic bronchitis. It can be present in left-sided heart failure, bronchial asthma, whenever the patient aspirates something in aspirations, tropical eosinophilia, in post-nasal drip, or drug-induced cough, especially whenever the patient is given angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors or any drug therapy, then nocturnal cough can occur. So these are nocturnal cough causes, that is chronic bronchitis, left-sided heart failure, bronchial asthma, aspiration, tropical eosinophilia, and post-nasal drip.
thank you and thank you for watching.